Hello everyone, I'm Sasha, welcome to my cooking channel. Today I'll show you how to make a super delicious summer dessert. Fresh strawberry, a couple of spoons of sour cream and a little bit of sugar. I loved to eat strawberry this way when I was a kid, but today I'll transform this simple recipe into something really exquisite. Watch my hands, let's go! First off, soak gelatin in cold water. Mix well and set aside for about 10 minutes. Well, you'll need fresh strawberries, ripe and sweet. Now, during the berry season, it wouldn't be a problem to find it, but you can use frozen if you want. Whatever berries you take, it should be at room temperature. Cut off stem and leaves from the strawberries and put it in a blender cup or in a bowl if you will use a hand blender. I also cut each strawberry in halves to help the blender. And of course, put some strawberries in your mouth. Right away, it is summer or what? Add sugar, but I prefer sugar substitute for this recipe. For freshness, add a little bit of mint leaves. I love to use chocolate mint for this kind of dessert. It grows in my little garden and it really smells like mint with a hint of chocolate. Add a little bit of vanilla extract and blend it until smooth with the blender on high speed. Heat the gelatin in a microwave until dissolved. Stir in the strawberry puree, reducing the blender speed to medium. Then mix it for about a couple of minutes on high speed. Add sour cream and mix a little bit more on low speed. Just a little. Pour the mixture into glasses and put it in the fridge until completely set. Usually it takes about 3 hours. Decorate your dessert with fresh strawberries and mint. It smells like summer. So fresh, so delicious. And it is really easy to make. Perfect way to feel summer. Of course, you need it too, right away. Oh my god. Alexei, do you wanna have a strawberry break?
I would very much like a strawberry break. Oh, I like how light it is. It's so airy and it's so tasty. The strawberry feels like something. There's mint inside, isn't there? I absolutely love it. It's very good.
The list of ingredients you can find below the video. Thank you for your likes and comments. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a wonderful day. See you soon. Bye.